that we're coming off Big Thunder. 37 minutes and 37 seconds. Posted at 55 minutes. They're doing work on the Liberty Bell, apparently. I don't know what work they're doing, but it drained it. Oh no, I think it's Tom Sawyer's Island is what's getting done. I don't know. Either way, there's no water. Ready for Splash Mountain?
We're ready.
I left my gloves in my bag in the hotel and my hands are cold. Like, oh my god, this is crazy. Like,
it's freezing.
It's cold.
I'm like kind of upset because we tried to come here to get away from the cold and it's cold.
It was better than 30 degrees at home. It's 55 degrees outside, but we are going on Splash Mountain for a nice 20-minute wait.
Absolutely stunning.
It's honestly probably walk on because I don't see a line like at all. So we're stopping to use the restroom before we get on Splash, and like there's like nobody in line.
How much more about we're gonna walk on?
Yeah, it's not gonna be 20 minutes. It's gonna be probably like a 5-minute wait.
5 minutes.
And then we're gonna freeze.
Oops, it's fine.
All right, I'm timing Splash Mountain. It's posted at 20 minutes, and I do not think that it's 20 minutes at all. I guarantee you it's probably just like a walk on and there's probably no wait. We are off Splash Mountain. Literally, it was not 20 minutes.
Walked
it was
right on.
2 minutes. From the time that we walked, like, it was just really just walking the whole queue and it was 2 minutes. So now, oh wait, how'd you like it?
The drop? My stomach said no, but I wore the what's the thing called? A raincoat?
A poncho?
A poncho.
I didn't even get time to put it on. That's how freaking fast we were walking through the queue and got to the ride.
Like, I put our picture in it.
Yes.
So you can see me.
I put it on my lap so like my legs and stuff wouldn't get wet, but we were back row so it didn't get wet anyway.
I'm gonna give it like a 7 out of 10 because it was fun. It was cute.
It was cute. Look how pretty the castle is.
Yeah.
Personally, I prefer the Dream Lights, but this is still nice. How pretty.
It's so beautiful. I'm gonna cry. I figured out.
I just want to see it switch so we can see some fireworks. Oh! Yeah! So the castle looks really pretty. We caught the small little fireworks that they do when they change the projections, and it was really pretty.
It was beautiful. I'm very happy.
Yeah, I'm glad.
That was my night to see. I'm like crying.
We're going on teacups now, and then I don't really know what else we're gonna do.
Maybe we can hit other rides number.
I want to do Buzz Lightyear again.
Yeah, hell yeah.
So, oh, it's dark. I had to stop and admire its glory just a little more. It really is beautiful.
Is beautiful.
I like how you can see the reflection in the water. That's pretty. Oh, that's my spot with Ryan, the wishing well. Currently in line to get an ornament in the old Christmas shop.
Like mentally, emotionally, physically, like.
Look how cute this is.
But I was originally
This is cute too. I like that one, the Cinderella Castle one.
And it lights up?
Does it? Oh, you have to pull that tab, but... Look, this one.
Oh, yeah, I get it. That's so cute.
It's blurry.
It's like ornaments.
Look, I have the ears as ornaments too. So I really like this one, but I like how this one says happily ever after on it.
They're adorable.
That's so pretty.
I really want this one.
I like this one with all the theme park stuff in it.
Oh, I see Epcot.
So here's the winner.
Beautiful.
I think it's cute. We're heading back to Tomorrowland. We're gonna get on Buzz Lightyear one more time.
One more time. It was fire.
We're gonna get on Space Mountain one more time. And I think
Go
we'll
back
just...
to Main Street, USA.
Yeah, I think we'll just spend the rest of the evening.
Spending money that I shouldn't be
I
spending.
know, literally. Yay! See you later, Buzz.
That animatronic.
Yay! I'm so happy. Ryan would be so proud. The day is almost over. There's about 40 minutes left before the park closes. Right now we're going on Dumbo, but we're walking over to Dumbo to get on it. Since we haven't been on it yet, if there's time, we'll probably get on Space Mountain again, just because like it's just so good. Like, how could you not do Space Mountain more than once? But overall, it's been such an amazing day. Like, even though it's short, sorry, my camera's like all over here, just realized it was not centered. Like, even though it was literally a day trip, like we were literally just here for today, going back home tomorrow, it was such a fun day. We did a lot. The crowds, like I said, there's definitely a lot more people here than there were in July, but we still got a lot done regardless of that. The lines were obviously a little longer, but still not as long as what the wait times on the app said. So overall, it was a really great day. 10 minutes. Last ride of the night.
Trying.
Space Mountain. I honestly think Space Mountain is the best
I
ride
think it's
here.
the most fire one. To be
It is.
honest.
Just kidding, Space Mountain's not the last ride. Starlight Speedway is. It's a must. It's such a slow ride, but it's a must. And you see perfect Tron progress at Starlight Speedway. Alright, here's the Tron progress.
Beautiful.
That looks nice.
That looks scary.
We made our way back to the hub. We're on our way to Main Street to go do some shopping. Just a few more looks at the castle, so beautiful. Walking down Main Street. I love the Christmas decoration. I love when Main Street's lit up. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Like, I just love walking down Main Street at night because the lights are just so beautiful. What'd you get from Starbucks?
Hot chocolate.
Did you get something to eat too or no?
No, just a hot chocolate. I'm so cold. My
It
hands
is
are like
cold.
ice. Do you want a sip?
No, I don't like chocolate. We're back in the Emporium, and this is like the cutest thing I have ever seen. Like, if it was summertime in New York, I would totally buy that right now. Those are cute. Are you gonna buy them?
No.
Look at this. This is nice
I
too.
would, oh my
Those
gosh.
are the fuzzy
Feel the
ears.
inside. I would die in that.
Oh, that's warm. This is the Spirit jersey that I asked Santa for Christmas. I hope Santa comes through and gets it. I've been looking for this collection for so long. Oh my god.
No.
Oh,
Oh, Gabby. Look at the ears. I can't.
I don't like the ears that much. The lounge fly is really pretty. In the next room. Oh my god, I'm upset. G for grumpy. I mean, it fits me. Oh! still get it.
Huh?
I still get it. This is beautiful. Look at the little Mickey ornament.
Do they have a small?
Really missing Hollywood Studios right now. Have you guys ever noticed those decorations up there in the Emporium? I've never noticed. I'm in like the, I guess, homeware room where we got the house stuff and all the mugs. And I just noticed that. How cool. So we pretty much like closed out the Emporium. I've never seen it so empty before.
Did way too much damage.
Did way too much damage.
Don't want to look at my bank account.
Like there's walking space in the Emporium.
When does that ever
Unreal.
happen?
Wonder what Main Street looks like. It's clearing out down here. Down Main Street, USA. We're taking some last minute photos as the park clears out. And that puts an end to our 24-hour day in Disney World. Did you have a great day?
I had an amazing day.
I thought it was absolutely amazing.
It couldn't have been more perfect.
No, yeah.
It really was.
It was, we did a lot within, we only were in the park for like 7 hours,
Yeah.
but we did a lot with the time.
We got our Christmas merch.
We did. We rode all the rides we wanted to
Space
see.
Mountain twice.
We rode all the rides we wanted to ride.
Yeah.
Yes. We saw some cavalcades. It was just overall a really great day.
And 2 parades. I'm so
Really great day.
so happy.
So on that note, we're heading out. Gonna catch the bus back to the resort. Thanks for joining along. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.